Hi, I'm Ricardo from My Becca Garden, and today we're going to take this and make a rim protector out of it. So let's get started by looking at some of the tools we're going to be needing. You need a spade bit or a drill bit, safety goggles, drill, jigsaw. Now this jigsaw, I bought a fine tooth blade for cutting plastic. The coarser blades are more for plywood or hardwood, but the fine tooth, very good for plastic. The only material that we'll be using would be that white lid that we're going to make a rim protector out of. This is going to be the lid that we're going to cut the center out of. It's sitting on top of a bucket already, so that all the stuff will fall down inside of it. Snap it on. And all I'm going to do is just drill a single hole here so that I can get my jigsaw in there to cut through it. That's simple. Jigsaw. Okay, now that we have the hole drilled, we're going to just run the jigsaw around this. Now, my bucket is sitting on top of another bucket to get it the right height. If you have a table or something, that's fine. So I'm just going ahead and cut this out, and we'll be right back. Now that we've got it all cut out, and all the stuff, all the cuttings, all the particles are down inside the bucket, which now we don't have to sweep up as much. I'm going to take a stick and just rub it on the inside of the rim here to knock off all the little burrs that are sitting on it. You might wonder, why do we need to have a rim protector? I'm about to show you why. These buckets are made out of plastic, and this is what happens when the sun hits it. It destroys it. So by putting a rim protector on it, you're going to protect this rim. The buckets are going to protect each other. The wall, which we call a sunblock wall, protects the other edge. So the only thing that's going to really get sun is this rim protector. You can see I just removed the reflector panel. You can see that there's quite a bit of damage here. This year I'm going to have to, look at that. This bucket will be gone end of the year, which is, a few months from now actually, because this is January in Los Angeles. So there you have it. We have a rim protector. Pop it on. Oh, gotta get, there we go. And the side bucket is now, the edge is now protected. If this was a good bucket, it would last years. That's it. That's how we make a rim protector for our bucket garden. So let's get started by looking at some of the tools we're going to be needing. Of course, I don't have the... And all I'm going to do is just run it around. Got to plug it in. Cut.